Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is a Onepay Walmart review and we will see it is worth trying or not. So if you have been shopping at Walmart and you saw something called Onepay and you're wondering what it is. So in this video I'll exactly explain this. So Onepay is a digital wallet and payment app that allows users to make fast and secure payment. It is as same as Google Pay or Apple Pay and it often promoted as a way to manage spending more easily. At Walmart, OnePay can be used to split purchases into multiple payments or keep track for spending through a simplified digital dashboard. It's often pitched as a flexible alternative to using a credit card, especially for people who want pay later or control how much they spend per week. It actually integrates with your Walmart. In other cases, OnePay also integrates with other stores or services, but Walmart is one of the key retailers where users explore this feature. Using it is super easy and simple. You can just simply add any credit or debit card to OnePay wallet and you will earn 1 point for every $10 spent at Walmart. And you can redeem points as cash back with a OnePay cash account. So when you're checking out at Walmart, either online or sometimes in store, you'll have the option to pay with OnePay if it is available in your region. If you're eligible, you can break down your total into smaller payments, usually over a few weeks with no added interest if paid on time. This kind of buy now pay later model is becoming more popular and OnePay is trying to compete with apps like Klarna, Afterpay and Affirm. If you purchase through OnePay, you will be able to get some benefits. Like you will get 3% of your cash back. Like whatever you have spent using this card on Walmart, you will get 3% as a cashback from Walmart. It also offers app through which you can manage your transaction, like how much you would like to spend. You can also check out what you have purchased as a purchase history, and you can add or take out cash at Walmart as well. It offers fee-free deposits, free debit card withdrawals, and free cardless withdrawals with one pay cash plus. The best thing about this app is that the approval process is often quick and easy. You don't need a full credit check like you would for a credit card, and everything happens inside the app or online. This means more people can get approved for small purchases, especially helpful for budget conscious buyers. Once you get approved, you get a schedule of your payments, and the money is automatically deducted from your linked bank account or debit card over time. When you're using these services, the biggest question that comes is this platform safe and easy to use? So the answer is yes. Like most financial apps, OnePay uses secure encryption and bank level protections to keep your data and transactions private. It also regulated depending on where it is operating, and most users report that the app is smooth and easy to use. You can track all your purchases, upcoming payments, and limit right in the app, which helps you stay organized and avoid overspending. It also sends reminders before payments are due so you don't miss anything. That said, always make sure you read the fine print. While most one pay plans are interest free, missing a payment could result in late fees or other charges depending on the policy in your region. If we talk about the pros and cons, so the pros are it is easy to use, especially for online Walmart orders. You can split payments without needing a credit card and no interest if payments are on time. It can help manage monthly budgeting. And cons are it is not available for all Walmart items. Late fees may apply and it still requires linking a bank account or debit card, and it can encourage overspending if not used carefully. So it really depends on your shopping habits and how disciplined you are with payments. So, is one pay at Walmart worth it? If you shop at Walmart often and want a simple way to split payments, stay organized, or avoid racking up credit and debit, then yes, one pay can be a useful tool. But, like with any pay later option, it works best when used responsibly. Stick to your budget, pay on time, and it can offer some nice breathing room in your monthly finances. So that was all about the one pay at Walmart. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like and a comment if you have any queries. feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.